Welcome to this Render Inventor 2018 course, where we will show you the program interface and teach you how to create and edit solid pieces. In this first class, we will see how the course is organized to facilitate learning. Come on, let's go. This course is organized into 6 modules, which contains classes, where we teach step by step how to use the commands and tools of the program. Practical examples, where we review the content by performing practical cases. And complementary exercises, which are tasks for the student to do and train. In the first module we will explore the Inventor interface, understanding how menus and tools are arranged. We will learn about templates and see how to open, create and save projects. We will know the main features to view the projects in the program, using the mouse, the view cube and the full navigation wheel. In the second module we will learn how to create sketches, or sketches, which are fundamental elements for creating pieces in Inventor. We will look at how to apply geometric and dimensional constraints, correctly restricting the drawings. In the third module we will know auxiliary tools for working with sketches. We will look at how to move entities, create copies in rectangular and circular patterns, scale, lengthen, and create mirror shapes. In the fourth module, from the 2D sketches, we will begin to develop the parts in 3D. We will learn how to use commands for extrusion, transition and scanning profiles, revolution and spiral profiling. We will look at how to make high and low relief recordings, solid copying, mirroring, repetition in rectangular and circular patterns, and peel creation. In the fifth module we will make modifications to solids, creating holes and recess, applying rounding, chamfers and threads. We will learn to create and edit freeforms and check the physical properties of solids. Finally, in the sixth module we will train the development of solids, modeling a sofa and a candlestick, and proposing complementary exercises for the student to do and improve himself in the use of the program. After completing this course, the student will be able to use Inventor 2018 to create solid pieces, being able to develop several projects for various applications, in a professional way. We wish you an excellent learning. Render Who Knows, teaches.